Square 1 was invented by Karel Harsel and Wojciech Kapski back in 1990, which was added to WCA's official puzzles in 2003. Now to learn how to solve Square 1, the first thing is you have to have a Square 1. So I would recommend to buy a Yushin Little Magic Square 1, which comes into variants, magnetic and non-magnetic, pretty cheap and nice quality. So I will link both them down in the description. The method I will be showing to solve the Square 1 is known as Lars Vandenberg method, who was the first world champion for the Square 1 single and average. The first step is cube shape, where you bring the cube back to its normal cube shape. So in this step you need to know work algorithm. And the second step is corner orientation, where you orient the corners of the first layer and the second layer. This step is pretty intuitive, so you can learn this on your own. Then the third step is EO or edge orientation. Here you need to learn two algorithms. Then the fourth step is CP or corner permutation. In this step also you need to learn two algorithms. Then the final step is EP, where you need to learn two algorithms, or if parity is there, then 3. Like this, then you have to learn this parity algorithm, which is pretty. Now how to hold the Square 1. So for holding the Square 1, you have to put your left thumb on the middle layer piece, smaller piece, and your middle finger of the left hand to the bigger piece on the back side. So like this, not like this, because it will too awkward to solve, and yeah, you can understand it. So like this, small piece, so you can move this and you can do like this. The scramble or the notations are pretty awkward for Square 1 because it involves numbers and slashes, not up. Here the slash means a vertical 180-degree turn. So this layer is slash. This is known as slash or slice. I prefer slash. And for the numbers, the edges count 1 and the corners count 2 for whole cube. So if we have this is count 1, this is 2. So the scrambles are in form of two numbers in a bracket. So the first number indicates the first layer and the second indicates the second layer. So we have positive and negative number. So the positive number for the first layer and clockwise, and the positive number for the second layer from anti-clockwise. If we have -3, 2, so it will be like negative, so anti-clockwise for the first layer, -1, 2 and 3, and 2 for the second layer, so we have to go anti-clockwise there too, so like 1, 2. So let's practice scramble now. The scramble will be on the screen. So the scramble is 0, -4, so no turn for the first layer, and for second layer we have -4, so we will go clockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, then slash, then -2, 4, so -2, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, then slash, then 0, -3, so this way, 1, 2, 3, then slash, then we have 5, -1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, slash, then 3, 0, so first layer, 1, 2, 3, slash, then -3, -2, so anti-clockwise on the first layer, so -1, 2, 3, and here clockwise, so -2, slash, then 3, 0, so 1, 2, 3, slash, then -5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus, slash, then -4, 0, -1, -3, -4, slash, then 2, 0, 1, 2, slash, then -2, -1, so -2, -1, slash and then 4,0. 1 2 3 4. So this was a scramble. Step 1, cube shape. So the first goal for cube shape is to bring 6 edges next to each other on the upper layer. So here we have 3. So what we can do, we can bring this 2 in that line, so we can slice it up. Then we have these 2 edge pair, but we can't slice it up because this is not exactly vertical. So what we can do is bring this 2 edge pair down here. Then what we can do is bring these 2 again up, like this is matched, this is his line, like this. So now we have 5, and for the last one what we can do is bring this edge pair up, so then we have 6. So here we have this 2 edge pair down, so we can put this into line, then slice, then we have 3. Then for this we can put it into again this line, then move this side, so we can bring this here. Then we have 5, and again we can put these 2 edge pair like here, so we have 6. So when you have 6 edge pairs on the upper face, then you have 3 cases on the bottom layer. The first is this one, pretty easy to solve. Turn the upper layer like this, then a slice, so get it. The second will be like this, so a pair down here. So what we can do, is put in a position like this and put this here on the line, so it will match up here by doing a slice. And the third case is like this. We have 6 on upper layer, so we have to put it always like this, and L on bottom, so we will put L like this. The second piece must be like this and making an L, and for this case we will put these 2 edges like this. So here, then we will do a slice. Then we have this 4 edge piece and this 2. So what we will do, bring 2 edge piece here, then like this. Then we will bring this 4 down like this, and then we have 6 here and the first case, so like this. So the goal of the cube shape is to bring 8 edges next to each other, 2 corners on our face and 6 on bottom. So the algorithm you need to learn is slash -2 -4 slash -1 -2 slash -3 -3 slash. It will bring the cube shape. Don't worry if you have like this is a pretty easy. So to flip the equator, there is a pretty simple hack, which is slash 6 slash 6 slash. Next step is EO. So in EO we will do that, we'll put this yellow corner this side, then we will see what we have on the bottom. So we have this line. So for EO, always make sure you misalign the layer by 1 or you will ruin the cube shape. So always misalign the layer by 1. Then we will bring these 2 line up. Then we have this. So what we will do, put here like this, misaligning the layer, then do a D2 to bring it here. So what we can do is a slash to pair them up. Then we will put it here, so we can doing a slash, bring it up. So here what we can do to form a bar is, first of all put this here, do a 1, then we will put this down here by doing a slash. So a slash will match this up, then again we will bring this to here like this, then we will do a slash, so we'll match this 3. And for this one to bring the empty one to here, and then putting this here, then doing a slash, bring it back and slash to solve the CO. This will call all the 8 corners orientation. Step is EP. Here you need to know 2 algorithms. The first one is pretty easy. So the first one, recognition, is like that. If you have these 2 edges unsolved which are opposite to each other, and these 2, so like this, we have these two and these two. So what we can do to solve this is known as M2 in square 1. So the algorithm is 1 0 slash negative 1 slash. So it will solve these two. And the algorithm to solve one edge piece is put the edge piece here and the second one on the back like this. First layer here and second layer here. So the algorithm for this is 1 0 slash 3 0 slash 3 0 slash negative 1 slash negative 2 1 slash negative 3 slash. So once again 1 0 slash 3 0 slash 3 0 slash negative 1 slash negative 2 1 slash negative 3 slash. So let's go for some example. In a case like this, we will do M2 twice. So here we have it, M2, then M2. Again, in a case like this, we have these opposite edges. So we will do M2. Then we have this single edge orientation case. But in this case, we can't perform M2 because we don't have this opposite colors. So here we have to do the algorithm number 2 twice. So put it here and this one here. Do the L. Then for second time. The next step is EP. So here we have again to learn two algorithms. So here in EP, what you have to do in the first step is to find a headlight on the first layer, which is the same color of the corners. So here we don't have headlights. Here we are opposite. Here again we don't have headlights, and here we have it. So the algorithm works like put the headlight on the right side, then do this algorithm slash 0, 3 slash 0, negative 3 slash 0, 3 slash negative 3 slash 3, negative 3 slash. So it will permute the corners on the upper face, and same goes for, but here we are lucky. So here we have to find headlights on the bottom layer too. No headlights, no headlights, no headlights, no headlights, no headlights. So here we have to do the algorithm twice. So put the bottom layer in any orientation and do this algorithm slash negative 30 slash 30 slash negative 30 slash 0, negative 3 slash 3, negative 3 slash. So now it should bring, yes, we have this part. So put it on the right side, then do the algorithm again slash negative 3 slash 3 slash negative 3 slash 0, 3 slash 3, negative 3 slash. So there is also this very easy case where all the corners are opposite to each other like this, these two opposite, these two opposite. So if you want to know this algorithm is very easy, which is slash 3, negative 3 slash negative 3, 3 slash. It will permute all the corners. The final step in the square one is EP or edge permutation. Here we have to permute all the edges to solve the square one. So in this step you have to learn two algorithms. The first one is M2 U2 M2, which will swap these two edges and these two edges. So these two opposite edges will be solved, and the second algorithm will solve these two edges and these two. So for example, here we have this red and orange opposite of each other. So we'll do an M2, then a U2, and then again M2. So here we can see this is swap and this is solve. So the second algorithm will swap these two and these two. These two. So we will put this like this, and this is the second algorithm 1 0 slash 0 3 slash negative 1 slash 1 negative 2 slash negative 1. So as you can see, the bottom layer is solved, but we have here parity. So Before parity, I want to show you some more examples. So here look for opposite edges. So on the upper face we don't have any opposite, so in the bottom face we have one opposite. So put any random orientation on the front layer, first layer, and do M2 U2 M2 M2 U2 M2. So as you can see, the green will be solved. Then we have these two left. So what we can do here, put this here, and then we can do the second algorithm, 1 0 slash 0 3 slash -1 -1 slash 1 -2 slash. So the bottom layer is solved. Then we have these two left, so we can solve red because the algorithm, second algorithm is of these two. So we will do it. And now we have these two left and these two left. So again, for this final example, we have here one opposite color, and in bottom layer we have an opposite color too. So again, M2 U2 M2. So this is solved and this is solved. Now we have these two adjacent pair, so we will do like this. But here we can see these two will swap. It will solve only green, not red, and will bring us to this case, which is again parity. So it is better to have adjacent parity than the opposite parity. So we will solve this orange and bring red to here, then we have adjacent parity. So it will be like the second algorithm. Now we have parity. So the parity alg is very large and pretty easy if you memorize it with your muscle memory. So if you do it like 20 to 25 times continuously, you will probably learn the parity algorithm. So the parity algorithm will be here. So alg is slash -3, 0 slash 0, 3 slash 0, -3 slash 0, 3 slash 2, 0 slash 0, 2 slash -2, 0 slash 4, 0 slash 0, -2 slash 0, 2 slash -1, 4 slash 0, -3 slash 0, 3. So once again the algorithm is slash -3 slash 0, 3 slash 0, -3 slash 0, 3 slash 2 slash 0, 2 slash -2 slash 4 slash -2 slash 0, -2 -1 4 slash like this. So once again, so after doing it 20 to 25 times, you will put it in your muscle memory. So at last I will do a example solve. The scramble will be here. Pause the video. So for cube shape, here we have this pair of edges, this pair of edges. So we will bring this 4 piece on the line and like this, and the second case that I mentioned, then we have these 8 edges, then the algorithm, then we have this bar, so we'll put in on the left side, then again a bar here, so we'll misalign the layer by 1, then a slash. So we have all corners oriented. Then again we have these two and these two, so form in that, and then we will do an M2. Then the second algorithm, so we'll put it here back and this one in the right side. Then we will do the second L for EO. For now, on the first layer we don't have any headlights, so we'll do the algorithm twice. The first algorithm, which is, so now we have this one headlight, put it on the right side. Then again on the bottom layer we also don't have any headlights, so again we will do. So now we have this, and again, so for EP we can swap these two and these two, so and then we will solve it. And now we have parity, so again the parity algorithm, So thanks for watching, hope you like the video. So happy day cubers, and in future I will be doing a series on how to be sub 30 sub 20. So with this method you can easily be sub 40. So thanks for watching and bye. Peace.